So dear students, by mistake the connection was lost. We were doing practice of editing. So beta, I have taken page from my side. I have taken on my own. I have taken from my side. It is not from your grammar book. I have taken very simple one so that you can start from the scratch, the practice of editing. So bache, we were discussing first the school library are part of the community. But due to poor connection, I was not able to continue with the same one. So let's continue. The school library are in place of are, what will be there? So I have told you that you have to write an incorrect word also and correct word also. Okay, don't write down only correct words, write down incorrect word also and correct word also. So what is incorrect word in first line? It is are. And what will be the correct word in the afterwards? In place of are, what will come? Is. Yes. So the school library is part of the community. So you type your answers in chat box. Okay, so that I can come to know about my intelligent stuff. I can come to know which students are attentive of my class. So afterwards, what will come? Next will be, so the school library is a part of the community. Next, and has an active role for play. In place of for, what will come? For is a incorrect word. In place of for, what will come? In place of for, what will come? For play. Hurry up. Very good. Aparan has written correct answer. It has an active role to play. Yes. Aparan, very good. Very good student. Providing the right values between books. Between is a right word for books. Providing the right values between books. In place of between, what will come? In place of between, yes, between is incorrect. Very good. So in place of between, what will come? Providing the right values. No. No. Tell me, providing the right values. Yes, hurry up. I'm waiting for the correct answer. From, for, no, your answers are wrong. From, that is also wrong. Providing the right values between books. In place of between, what will come? No, with is also wrong answer. Hurry up. I will be appreciating that intelligent child who will be telling me the correct answer. So, providing the right values through books. Very good. Very good. Let me see who was that. Who was that? Who has written correct answer? Yes, Nitya. Nitya and Dhiren. Very good. So Nitya and Dhiren, I really appreciate you. You are the intelligent students. Very good. So here what will come? Providing the right values through books. Okay. Next is, but those days children are turning to television. But those days children are turning to television. In place of those, what will come? These. Yes, these days. So here what correct determiner will be used? It will be these days. In place of those, we will be using these. Now next is school students commemorate Teachers Day by. School students commemorate Teachers Day by conducting various academic activities for. So in first line, there is no error. You have to find out the error in second line. School students commemorate Teachers Day by conducting various activities, various academic activities for show. In place of for, what will come? What will come? For show is a right. You read it thoroughly, you read it carefully. Yes, Jayati, very good. Conducting various activities to show. Yes, very good. To show their appreciation and respect. To show their appreciation and respect. So what will be there? To show their appreciation. THERE, that is right. That this THERE there is used for the place. But here, what will be? Yes, THEIR. This, correct the spellings. You have to make, write down THEIR. Yes. Their appreciation and respect to their teachers. Children offer cards or gifts. Children offer cards or gifts. I have given you one hint. When I read, I put emphasis, I put stress on our incorrect word. You can easily pick up incorrect word and you can make it correct. I am putting stress on or word. Children offer cards or gifts. So what will be there? Children offer cards and gifts. Yes, children offer cards and gifts. Okay, gifts to their teachers for a token of love. For a token of love, is it, does it sound good? For a token, yes, Aparan, very good. Their teacher as a, very good Aparan, as a token of love and appreciation. Nitya, very good. Yes, as a token of. Dhiren, good. So Nitya, Dhiren, Aparan, all are sending me correct answers. So bacha, type in chat box. It is very interesting to do it. So time is running out. Arzu, after the class, I'll be calling you. I'll be taking your doubt. Okay. Let me finish this third and fourth because we have a shortage of time. Okay. So next is Andhra Pradesh is the state abounding of. So in this, first Andhra Pradesh is the state. Is the state? The state is right. What is the, yes, Andhra Pradesh. Tell me other students also. Jayati, very good. Other students also. Type in chat box. Beta, whether you write down wrong or right, I'm not going to point you out. If you are writing wrong, no problem. You just do a practice because practice will make you perfect. Because in editing, in omission, you require a lot of practice. So Andhra Pradesh is a state. Yes, is a state abounding of natural wonders, rich in cultural heritage, and most of all. Andhra Pradesh is a state abounding of natural wonders. In place of what will come? What will come in place of of? In natural wonders. Yes. It will come in a natural. Yes, in a natural one. No, no with wonders. Andhra Pradesh is a state abounding in, yes, in natural wonders, rich in culture, heritage, and most of all, excellent in tourism. Excellent in tourism. Excellent. What will come in place of excellent? Rich in culture, heritage, and most of all, excellent in tourism. In place of excellent, you just write down here. No, beta, in place of excellent, what is the correct word to be used? Nobody is telling me right answer. You require a lot of practice for that. Today I will be sending you some of the worksheets of error editing and omission. Today you solve it and tomorrow I will send you the answers of that. So in place of excellent, what will come? In place of excellent, beta, excellence will come. Yes. Culture, heritage, and most of all, excellence in tourism. Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh retains much of its regal glory or old worldly charm. In place of or, what will come? Andhra Pradesh retains, yes, or is incorrect, very good. In place of or, what will come? And, yes. In place of or, what will come? And. Okay. Now let's move to fourth. In Kullu, against the backdrop of snow-covered mountains, there is no mistake in first line. Find out mistake in second line. Villagers dressed on their colorful best. On their colorful best, take out. On their colorful best is right. In place of on, what will come? In Kullu, against the backdrop of snow-covered mountains, villagers dressed on their colorful best. Villagers, no, with this not correct. In place of on, what will come? Villagers dressed in their colorful. Yes, bache, in. In is your correct answer. In place of on, what will come? In. In their colorful best, take out processions to local deities. To local deities accompanied by music. So what will be the correct answer? Hurry up, find out. Hurry up, tell me. in place of on, yes, in will come, that is right. In place of two local deities, two is incorrect. In place of two, what will come? Yes, in place of two, what will come? Of. Yes, take out procession of local deities accompanied by music, on pipes and drums. On pipes and drums, no. In pipes and drums. On Karnataka, the Sara is celebrated with magnificent pomp and, yes, tell me. Try to do, whether wrong or right, try to do. You are able to do, I know. Try to do. Yes, on Karnataka, yes, on Karnataka is wrong. In place of what will come? In Karnataka, very good. In Karnataka, the Shara is celebrated with magnificent pomp, or in place of or what will come? Yes, Aparan, your answer is right. It is and. So, bache, you take screenshot of this. You do this practice again. I will be sharing answers with you also in your WhatsApp group, so that you can check your answer, that whether you are able to do it or not. So today you solve these four again. After that you check your answers from the sheet that I will be sending you today, and I will be sending you some other worksheets also for doing a practice, because in this editing and emission you require a lot of practice. Okay, bache? So do a lot of practice. Now time is running out. You have to join your next class also. So I'm going to over your class.